Hey, what's going on, guys? Rob from Fixin' 5 here. I got another quick tip about washing paintbrushes. So make sure your water's on hot, and then when you're washing your paintbrush, go ahead and get some soap and just put it on the paintbrush and just start working it in. What that's going to do is just loosen up all the paint that's inside the paintbrush and let it come out. And if you happen to have paint that was stuck on the bristles, just take yourself a brush and then comb it through. What you want to make sure that you do is just keep the brush looking like if it was brand new. All right, paint cup's clean, paintbrush is clean. Another tip that I like to do is I like to go ahead and fill up the paint cup with about a quarter of the way of water. Take your paintbrush that you just cleaned and go ahead and hit it on the magnet and just put the tip of the bristles into the water. What that's going to allow you to do is it's going to pull the rest of the paint that might still be inside the paintbrush that you can't get to out. So that way tomorrow when you go ahead and paint, you got a fresh, clean brush. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Do me a favor, like and subscribe. Hit the little bell for notifications so you could get the latest content that I'm going to put out there. Until then, stay handy, my friends. I'll see you guys later.